What's up, y'all? It is time for our monthly housing market update for Southwest Florida. We are talking September 2024's numbers. And so let's get into it. And when we say Southwest Florida, basically we're going to tell you each county that we cover from Manatee all the way down to Collier County. And so, yeah, let's look at start in the south. As always, Collier County closed sales at 567. That's down 15% from September 2023. And if y'all remember, 2023 was down as well from 2022. So the market is still dropping in terms of sales volume, which is not surprising because the volume was absolutely bonkers in 2020, 2021, and 2022. Median sale price at 589. That is down just a little bit. Month supply of inventory at 6.8 months, up from 4.3. Median time to contract at 83 days, which is up from 46 days a year ago. So 83 days is a pretty long time for houses to sit on the market. New listings up just a tad at 1,003, and new pending sales at 608, which is down 11% from a year ago. So as we've been talking with Collier County for a while, new listings up, new pending sales down, closed sales down, indicates to me that month supply of inventory is probably going to go up. Although a 6.8 month supply of inventory is that's actually down from where it was a couple of months ago. But I think that is probably some of the storm damage stuff has come off the market and everything. And it's getting repaired and will probably go back on the market. So I think we'll see that go back up in the coming months as some of the homes are repaired. Lee County closed sales at 1281. Again, that's down 15%. Same percentage as Collier County down. Median sale price at 370 is down just about 2.5%. Month supply of inventory at 6.5. Median time to contract at 63 days. So that's quite a bit lower. New listings at 2243. Now that's down a little bit. And new pending sales also down a little bit. So now for Charlotte County. Charlotte County closed sales 434. That's down 20%. And again, these are September's numbers. Hurricane Helene hit right at the end of September. And keep in mind, closed sales volume is probably down a bit too because of the storm, because a lot of closings didn't happen right at the end of the month after the hurricane. Median sale price at 325. That's down 7%. Month supply of inventory at 7.1 is up. Median time to contract at 77 days. New listings at 694. That's down 15%. New pending sales at 471 is up 14%. So that's a good change. Now for Sarasota County, closed sales down 19% to 767. Median sale price down at 440. Month supply of inventory is only 4.9. So that is just starting to touch into what is typically considered a balanced market, which is anywhere from 5 to 7 months typically. So anything less than 5 months supply is typically considered a seller's market. Anything more than 7 months supply is typically considered a buyer's market. Median time to contract at 51 days, new listings at 1168, new pendings at 776. So Sarasota County has a similar trend to Charlotte, which is new listings down and new pending sales up. So that will maybe help to reverse some of the trends we're seeing. Closed sales at down 17% in Manatee County. It's 718. Median sale price 423. That one's down almost 4%. 4.5 months supply of inventory. So this is interesting that the month supply of inventory is only at 4.5. So it's still technically a buyer's market, but we're seeing prices decrease. 52 days time to contract, which is also still relatively low compared to what obviously the other counties we've looked at. New listings are up 4.5%, and new pending sales down about almost 2%. So now we're going to look at the month-over-month trends throughout the year. Closed sales first for the entire area. So Collier County, as always, we see March, April, May as the highest, and you're going to see that in basically all 5 counties. That's pretty typical for us, where March, April, and May are always our busiest months, highest transaction volume during that time. Median sale price, as we see, it went up, 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 up until we just got completely blown out with a ton of inventory, and then it started dropping. It took a big drop in Collier County. Everywhere else, it's just been slower, smaller drops. Charlotte County had a little bit of a bigger drop there. But as you can see, there was a peak in prices. Pretty much every county Collier was in May. Lee, Charlotte, Sarasota were all in April, and then Manatee was in May as well. And it's kind of been dropping, but all of these have dropped from throughout 2023 as well. Month supply of inventory, you see up, 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 up. July, it was at 12 months, and then boom, there was a huge drop. Basically, a lot of people took their homes off the market in August and didn't relist them. And we see the same thing here in Lee County. And now Charlotte County has not been as big of a drop, but these two down in the southern area, there was a big drop in people pulling their homes off the market. And it basically was failed to sell. It wasn't that they sold. It was that they wanted to sell them, couldn't sell them for what they wanted, and decided to pull them off the market for whatever reason, and stay. Doesn't mean that they won't want to put them back on at some point, but they are not doing it at the moment. So if you got any questions, you're curious about how this impacts you in your particular situation, give me a shout. Here's how you can get in touch. Thanks for watching. See you all next month.